Going to vacuum them up. Is that more installation with it now? Oh yeah, I'm pulling a lot more out right now. Now I got some bees here I get. Oh, now I got bees. Oh.
Look at that. That white that I'm seeing behind them, that's the comb?
Yeah.
They built that?
Yeah, they built all that. That's all wax. And if you see, like I see brood and I see honey too, but the ones that are not capped and it's kind of shiny, that is what's going to be honey. Once they get it down and everything. That would probably be safe because that's all way back here. But
so how long before it would have been full of honey? Since you're catching it in the early stages.
I have a lot back there. This is just this end of it. It goes a good ways back. I've got a lot of comb there to cut out. This is just this end of it.
You got to bite it.
Take a bite. Take a bite.
Man. Okay, give me another one now. Swallow the cone?
It don't hurt you.
Or just chew the comb, it's wax.
You can chew it, swallow it, chew it, throw it out. It don't matter, it ain't gonna hurt you.
I already swallowed it.
Here, I want to bite.
You got the rest of it. Just get it. There you go.
That is good.